The Conductivity to Resistivity Interactive Calculator instantly converts between electrical conductivity and resistivity values for material analysis. Let's explore the interface. The Select Calculation Mode dropdown offers 6 options: conductivity to resistivity, resistivity to conductivity, resistance to resistivity, conductance to resistivity, sheet resistance to resistivity, and resistivity from geometry and resistance. For this demonstration, I'm using conductivity to resistivity mode. The input fields include conductivity sigma, resistivity ρ, resistance R, length L, cross-sectional area A, conductance G, sheet resistance Rs, and film thickness T. For our example, I'll enter a conductivity value of 5.96 E7 Siemens per meter, which represents copper at room temperature. After clicking Calculate, the results show a resistivity ρ of 1.6779 E-8 ohm meters and confirms our conductivity sigma at 5.9600 E plus 7 Siemens per meter. The resistance and conductance show Na since geometry wasn't specified for this calculation mode. Most importantly, the material classification identifies this as a superconductor or excellent conductor, specifically examples like silver, copper, or gold, which validates our copper input. This tool streamlines material property calculations for electrical engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.